Okay, day 11. I have a little bit of trepidation today because I ran almost 5 miles yesterday, 4.97 to be exact, and I want to get to actual 5 today. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I don't know how my legs are going to feel. Am I going to crash halfway through? We'll see. So the goal is 5 miles. We'll see if I get there. Slow and steady. All right, let's see halfway. Okay, halfway point, 17-mile drive, the Spanish Bay Drive. So we're gonna turn around, head back, but I've got to find a spot where I can double up a little, because last time was 4.97 miles, and I want to make it 5. And nice ocean view behind me. Beautiful day. Sun's out. It's warm, but we have an ocean breeze. I love it here. I'm blessed. Okay, let's finish. Okay, 5.1 mile, 48 minutes, 24 seconds, 9.29 minute pace, average heartbeat 142. I put a 5 on it. That's what I wanted to do. Legs felt good. Our lungs felt good. This gave me problems. You know, you start overthinking things. Your brain gets involved. You try to shut it off. I probably look weird running because I talk to myself. I know some of you out there, for any number of physical ailments, aren't able to run, probably not able to walk that great. And I know some of you personally, very personally. So be my emotional and spiritual support on this journey to the half marathon. I need it. Words of encouragement, some of you already give them to me. They help. They mean a lot. Because even when the body's welling, the spirit is not sometimes. And today was one of those, but I did it. Tomorrow's a rest day. I have Jiu Jitsu in the morning, then an open house, 723 Erdley, Pacific Grove, open 12 to 3, Saturday and Sunday. Great home. School is a great school. Just a great location. And come on by if you're looking, if you know someone, because I am a real estate agent for Sotheby's, but this is running right now. Anyways, have a great day. Day 11 down. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend.